Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys my entire pinky brown nude lipstick collection. I'm skipping out on lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. It would just be way too long, and besides, regular lipsticks are my favorite formula to put on my lips, so that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Pinky brown nudes are my go-to. I wear them every day of my life. If I want to try a new lipstick from a new brand, I always search for their pinky brown nude. It's always a staple of mine. I love them. They're my favorite shade to wear. I will always be on the hunt for the perfect pinky brown nude, but for now, this is what I have, and these are all go-tos of mine. I will interchange all of these lipsticks from time to time. I always have at least one of these on me at all times, whether that be in my purse or my car or my pocket or my jacket, always with me, on my lips, all the time. I'm really excited to share my pinky brown nude lip collection with you, so let's just get started in the video. I'm starting with my favorite pinky brown nude shade, and that is MAC Taupe. It's my go-to for everything. I think it's the most flattering on me. It's a perfect combination of a pink and brown. It's a little bit deep. I love it. Next is MAC Whirl. Before I discovered Taupe, Whirl was my favorite. But it is a little bit more deep than Taupe, so Taupe is better for like everyday sort of situation. Then I have MAC Twig. Twig is a little bit more pink, but definitely has that brown mix in there, but it's more pink. It's a little bit brighter. This one is cute for kind of like a light girly look. Now I am showing you Age, Sex, Location from MAC. This is a more true nude with equal parts pink and brown. Now I have some Anastasia lipsticks to show you. I really like this formula. This is in the shade Spice. This one is a little bit deeper. It has kind of some more deep pinks in there and a little bit of brown to classify it as the pinky brown nude that I really like. Now I am showing you Honey. Honey is very nude. It has a light amount of pink and brown in it. I really love Honey. I think it's a great nude for my skin tone. It's not too light, but also not deep at all. I really like it. Next Anastasia shade is Staunch. I love this shade so much. It's my favorite Anastasia shade. It has a great amount of pink and brown in it, and it's not too dark. I think it's really perfect. This shade right here is a lime creme lipstick in the shade Choker. This one has a little bit more mauve in it, like a little bit more of a purpley hue, but still qualifies as a good pinky brown. I also like the formula of these lipsticks a lot. They're very, very creamy. Now I have a Colourpop lipstick in the shade Layover. I love this formula a lot. I think it's really comfortable and beautiful on the lips, and it goes on very, very nicely. This one is a little bit more pink, but it definitely has some brown in it. Now is Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Pillow Talk. This shade is a little bit more pink, but definitely has like that nudie brown in it, so that's why I find it wearable on myself. I really like this shade a lot. Now is the Too Faced lipstick in Pout About It. I love the formula of these lipsticks. I think it feels like a very full coverage lip balm. It's really nice on the lips. This one definitely is a little bit more pink, but you know, still a pinky brown. Now we have Urban Decay lipstick in 1993. This lipstick is super old. It's still in the old Urban Decay packaging. This one definitely leans more brown, but it definitely has pink in it, but it's like a deeper brown with some pink. It's a brown pink, not a pinky brown. This one is from Lipstick Queen. It is in the shade Pawn. This one definitely has more pink in it, kind of like pink with a little bit of brown nude in it, and it's really, really pretty on the lips. This next lipstick is from Marc Jacobs. It's in the shade J'adore. I bought it because Amrata showed it in a Vogue video. Definitely has more brown in it than pink, but the pink thrown in it kind of brightens it up a little bit and makes it more wearable than a flat out brown. Last lipstick I have to show you is from Lancome. It's in the shade 254. This one is so beautiful. It has kind of equal parts pink and brown in it. Kind of just looks like my lips but better. Like I have perfect lips, as if I just threw on some lip balm and called it a day. I love this lipstick. It's stunning. That concludes my entire pinky brown nude lipstick collection. I do have liquid lipsticks and lip glosses and like other formulas of lipstick in this shade, but my favorite lip formula is a regular lipstick. So that's why I wanted to make this video only showing you guys my pinky brown nude lipsticks in the regular bullet lipstick formula. If you guys have any questions about formulas and anything like that about any of the lipsticks that I have shown you, go ahead and leave them down below. I will definitely get back to you guys. But other than that, that's all I have to really say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.